I'm Sinead Moran. I farm here at bBuí farm in East Mayo with my partner Michael McGrath. We are a micro dairy, so we produce and sell raw milk direct to the public. The whole aim of the game here is to kind of keep our supply chains really short. We want to produce food for as local of a community as possible. We're a small farm. We run across 30 acres. So we're very small. We're well below the average size of the average farm in Ireland, but good things come in small parcels. To be an organic farm, we don't use any chemicals, and there's no roundups, there's no spraying off. And we very much started from that ecological kind of perspective, viewed the whole farm as a living ecosystem, and how could we kind of farm within that. We milk 12 cows. We're 100% pasture-based, so the cows literally convert whatever they can find in the pasture and the hedgerows into lovely raw milk for us. We work mostly with these ladies here, which are shorthorns. They've kind of fallen out of favour over the years, but they would have been a traditional dairy strain and a traditional beef strain. They're like big puppies sometimes, and yeah, I spoil them, but we're very lucky to work with big animals. So, and it's respect, we respect them, they respect us. It's a good working relationship. They like music, like in the winter, we actually leave the radio on. They definitely don't like AC/DC. I tried that one day in the parlour and there was a dirty protest. So, they're very finicky and they're creatures of habit. So they like everything to be the same. They love routine. When you change it, they just get real stroppy about it. They have nutritional wisdom that we will never fully understand. So as long as we give them access to as much diversity in pasture and hedgerows as possible, they can look after themselves. So, we don't worm here. We haven't had to use any wormers in 6 years, mostly because we've stuff like chicory and plantain, and the cows can eat that, and that's a natural wormer. At the minute, they're all going mad for the sycamore leaf. I don't know what's in it, but they're all going crazy for it.
It's gotten to the stage now where it's agri-industry, not agriculture. The clue is in the name. It's culture, that's what we're supposed to be doing. It's about a lifestyle and making a living, and living with nature and living with the animals, and everybody gets their fair share, But at the minute, the way it's going, it's agri-industry, and there's not too many getting the share out of that, We're just trying to farm within the environment that we're in and trying to preserve that and keep it as good as we can, So we're not going to be millionaires out of it, but we're happy out doing what we're doing, And we are, as the man says, we are making a pound,
I think most farmers are caught on that treadmill of production and production and production. Some people are doing well for it, but we can easily look at the figures to see that the majority of farmers are not making a living off the land. And that is a crisis. It is a crisis when you think about the fact that less than 5% of our farmers are under the age of 35. So who's going to farm in the future? If we can't provide a living in farming for a younger generation, then who is going to farm? Where is our food going to come from? In agriculture, we often talk about progress and we look to science to help us. But perhaps we'd be better sometimes to also look back and look at the things that worked in harmony with the natural environment and take those things and carry them through to the future.